JC bought 8 gallons of gas for $31.12. All right, so our ratio in this case is 8 gallons for every $31.12. Well, that is just one ratio or point on the graph. I want to figure out how much it's growing by every single time she buys a gallon of gas. So basically, I am going from 8 gallons to 1 gallon. Well, what if she only buys 1 gallon of gas? Okay. I need to take $31.12 and divide it by 8 to figure out my unit rate. 1 gallon per how many dollars? All right. 8 goes into 31 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtract that. I have 7 left over. Bring down my 1. 8 goes into 71. 8 times 8 is 64. And I'm out the door. And I have 7 left over. Bring down my 2. 8 times 9 is 72. $3.89. So for every 1 gallon, there is $3.89. How do I know this to be true? Well, we know that if I was looking at a graph, I would do the amount of money to the gallons of gas. And we know that every time I buy more gas, more gallons, my price goes up. 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 I want to figure out every time I buy one, how much is it going up by? Each 1 unit, how much is it going up by? Okay? And we learned that we're going to do the amount it goes up by over the amount it goes over by. So I'm going to go over 1 gallon of gas. And in this case, I'm going up $3.89. Okay? This is my picture representation of what's going on. This is my ratio representation of what's going on. And now I'm going to make it very mathematical by writing an equation. So we have y equals, and in this case, my y represents the amount of money, total cost, $3.89. This is my constant proportionality. That is my growth every single time, what it's growing by per gallon. Per gallon. And then X is the amount of gallons. So if I bought 5 gallons, I would multiply $3.89 by 5. If I bought 10 gallons, I would do 10 times $3.89, so on and so forth. So this is my final equation, keeping in mind that it represents something that's going on. And all of the letters just represent unknown value, in this case the cost and gallons bought.